Okay, quick updates with math. Since you will not have all of the pages with you because we did not take our binders home, I'm going to upload them into the classroom, and that way you can go and get a spreadsheet, which will probably be the easiest way for us to submit these. So if you look at today on day 4, I have your videos for you to watch again to help you, a slide to help you with the conversions. Today there's only 4 different ones, so that's great. A quick Khan Academy article and a fill in the blank. When you fill in all those blanks, it won't give you a grade, but it shows me that you've done it. So you're just looking for it to say that it's completed. Now, on your binder page here, when you go in, you'll see that you have a PDF. And on here, when you open it up, you guys can zoom in. Ooh, really zoomed in. Zoom out. Let's see. Logan handwriting. And then you can go Miss Bistrom handwriting. You can kind of, okay, I'm done. So on here, go ahead and do all the problems on paper. Then the way that you can submit them so that they're neat and easy is you will create a spreadsheet, okay? Now, the spreadsheets are nice because it's neat and organized and it'll be really easy to read. On your title, I'll try to load one onto your page for you, but on your title, you can just have your name and then the page that you're doing. Nope, that's a lot. There we go. And the page you're doing. Okay. So what I love about a spreadsheet is that they can all be neatly organized. What I'd like for you to do is you can have number 1 and number 2. And the other fun things, look, you can make these different sizes so it's not taking up a lot of space. You can make these wider. You can do your fonts. Yeah, do bigger than 10. 10 is tiny. So you can do larger size fonts. So on number 1, it says 1 pound equals however many ounces. I want you to write down your answer and make sure you label it. Now, if you're paying attention, I'm giving you an answer. Oh my goodness. It's pretty cool, huh? So, you know what? Why don't let's extend this one. And I always like it when you guys write out the equations. So if I say 1 pound, just do equals 16 ounces. And then there's your answer for number 1. Okay? I don't like how those are right next to each other. So I'm going to switch them up. Then you can make, if you highlight the whole thing instead of doing it one at a time, I didn't change that one. So that can be size 12. I can put it on the left. I can put it in the center. Just so many fun things. This line doesn't need to be that long, so we can squish it up a little bit. You can change your fonts, whatever. It's just a math sheet, so it doesn't have to be too fancy, okay? But on here, if you'll just number them, put all the answers, you don't have to go all the way straight down. You could also come over here if you've done 1 through 6. And then on number 7, let's say I'm going to do number 7, and it says write it as a mixed number. So for your fractions, you can just use the slashes. So 7 is, I'm going to write out my question. It's 40 ounces equals how many pounds? Now I'm going to put a slash, and then I have my answer there. Okay? Now, same thing. Make it a little bigger. Make it easy to read. You can highlight all of them and just make them all 12. So now no matter what box I type in, it should be size 12. And then again, I don't like how those are right next to each other. So I'm going to center this one so that it's easy to read and everything's labeled. It's nice, it's neat, it's pretty. Slashes for the fractions are fine, but on the story problems, you do not need to write the whole story problem. Just give me the answer with a label. On the back, it has the, let's see, exponents So you can just put in the number and the answer. Okay. All right. If you have questions, let me know. Nice, easy, submit the spreadsheet. You can do both page 167 and 168 on the same spreadsheet. Thanks, guys.